This is why you need a property manager to handle your rental investment. Let's face it, being a landlord isn't always sunshine and rent checks. From finding reliable tenants to handling 3 a.m. maintenance calls, the stress can pile up fast. That's where a property management company comes in. Here are the top benefits. Tenant screening. Imagine professionals reviewing applications, ensuring you get the best tenants faster, and reducing vacancies. Maintenance coordination. Picture never having to worry about repairs again. With 24/7 maintenance support, your property stays in top shape all year round. Rent collection and financial management. Automated systems mean timely rent collections and transparent financial reporting. Your financial peace of mind is just a click away. Legal compliance. Stay on top of ever-changing rental laws without the headache. Compliance has never been easier. Time and stress savings. More time for what matters most. Spend your days enjoying life, not chasing down rent or dealing with emergencies. But let's be real, the challenges can be tough. Late rent payments, difficult tenants, emergency repairs, and complex legal issues. Sound familiar? Now imagine all those problems handled smoothly and professionally. Introducing PMI of Fairfax, your trusted partner in stress-free property management. Friendly, professional managers ready to take the load off your shoulders. Ready to experience hassle-free property management? Contact PMI of Fairfax today, managing properties, maximizing returns. Visit pmioffairfax.com.